Keeping up with dust bunnies and pet hair can feel like a never-ending battle. The constant need to vacuum can eat into precious time, especially in busy households. This AIRROBO P20 robot vacuum cleaner aims to be your tireless teammate in this fight, offering a budget-conscious approach to maintaining clean floors. This comprehensive review dives deep into the P20's features, performance, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. The core of any robot vacuum's effectiveness lies in its cleaning power. The AIRROBO P20 delivers impressive results with its 2800 pascals suction. This translates to more than just picking up surface dirt. The P20 tackles embedded dust, hair, and debris from hard floors to low-pile carpets, leaving your home feeling noticeably cleaner. This level of suction power is particularly beneficial for pet owners battling constant pet hair accumulation. While it might not be as powerful as some high-end robot vacuums, the P20 offers a strong cleaning performance at a significantly lower price point. Low-profile furniture often becomes a haven for dust and debris, creating cleaning blind spots. The P20 addresses this challenge with its ultra-slim design, measuring just 3 inches in height. This allows the P20 to effortlessly navigate under sofas, beds, and other low-clearance furniture. No more struggling to move furniture to reach hidden areas. The P20 takes care of those hard-to-reach spots, ensuring a more comprehensive clean and eliminating the need for additional manual vacuuming. Standard robot vacuums can sometimes struggle with fine dust particles trapped in crevices like tile gaps. The P20 tackles this issue with its innovative scraper technology. This unique design features a floating scraper strip that allows the suction inlet to make better contact with all types of floors. This enhanced contact ensures the P20 effectively cleans fine dust particles that might otherwise get missed by traditional robot vacuums. This makes the P20 a good choice for those with tile or hardwood floors where fine dust can be a persistent problem. A robot vacuum that cleans haphazardly can be frustrating and inefficient. The P20 utilizes gyroscope navigation, a system that guides the robot in a more efficient zigzag pattern compared to random path cleaning. This targeted approach ensures the P20 doesn't waste time retracing its steps and provides a more thorough cleaning of your entire home. Additionally, highly sensitive sensors prevent the P20 from bumping into furniture or walls, protecting your belongings and ensuring smooth operation. While gyroscope navigation might not be as advanced as LiDAR technology found in some high-end robot vacuums, it offers a good balance of effectiveness and affordability for everyday cleaning needs. The AIRROBO P20 offers multiple ways to control your cleaning routine. The AIRROBO app is easy to use with just 3 simple steps. You can connect the P20 to your smartphone. Once connected, the app allows you to schedule cleaning times, adjust suction levels, control cleaning direction, and monitor the robot's status. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, the P20 comes with a separate remote control, eliminating the need for a smartphone connection. This flexibility ensures you can control your cleaning routine however you find most convenient. Keeping your robot vacuum charged shouldn't be an added chore. The P20 boasts a 120-minute runtime covering up to 1,500 square feet of space in quiet mode on a single charge. This allows it to tackle most homes efficiently without needing frequent recharging. Additionally, the P20 features an auto recharge function. When the battery runs low or cleaning is complete, the P20 automatically returns to its charging dock to power up, ensuring it's always ready for your next cleaning session. The verdict: a budget-friendly choice for everyday cleaning needs. The AIRROBO P20 emerges as a strong contender in the budget-friendly robot vacuum market. Its powerful suction, slim design, and scraper technology tackle dirt, debris, and pet hair effectively on various floor types. The user-friendly app and remote control provide convenient cleaning control, while the long-lasting battery and auto-recharge function ensure a hassle-free cleaning experience. Who should consider the AIRROBO P20? Budget-conscious shoppers looking for a powerful and effective robot vacuum. Pet owners who need a reliable solution for pet hair removal. Users with hard floors or low-pile carpets seek a robot vacuum for everyday cleaning. Who might want to look elsewhere? Users who desire advanced app features like multi-floor mapping or virtual no-go zones. Those with large or complex home layouts might benefit from LiDAR navigation technology. Individuals highly sensitive to noise require a super quiet robot vacuum. Ultimately, the AIRROBO P20 offers a compelling balance between affordability and cleaning performance. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful robot vacuum to keep your floors clean without breaking the bank, the P20 is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.